Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the drive label from File Explorer in Windows 10. The drive label is the name assigned to a specific drive on your computer, and changing it can help you easily identify and organize your storage devices. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Hey there, Windows 10 users. Today we're going to show you how to change the drive label from File Explorer, so let's get right into it. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Step 2. In the left pane of File Explorer, locate and click on This PC. This will display a list of all the drives connected to your computer. Step 3. Now, under the Devices and Drives section, right-click on the drive for which you want to change the label. From the context menu that appears, select the Rename option. Step 4. A text box will appear, allowing you to specify a new label for the drive. Type in the desired name and press the Enter key on your keyboard to save the changes. Step 5. Finally, a warning message may appear, informing you that changing the drive label could cause some programs to stop working correctly. If you understand the risks and wish to proceed, click the Continue button. And that's it. You've successfully changed the drive label from File Explorer in Windows 10. Congratulations on successfully updating the drive label. Now, your storage devices can have meaningful and organized names that make it easier for you to locate and manage your files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.